What's up, fellas, ladies, all of that? Hey, man, I'm gonna go real quick. Another pickup I got. Gucci socks. Okay, I got two pairs. I had one pair for a week and I haven't worn them yet, so I'm just gonna unbox those for you. A lot of people haven't seen these. Okay, so one place I got them and they sent them straight like this, right? Just a bag. Another place I got them. Well, I actually both got them from Neiman Marcus, but they shipped them different. I guess maybe one of them shipped it from the store and one of them got it from the warehouse. But this is the second pair that I ordered. Right, it came in this box. All right. Pretty simple. It's probably just gonna have the sock laid in there. They put all the fancy paper. So I wear a size 13, and this is a large. And it's pretty freaking big too. So, oh yeah, that's gonna work out just fine. Cause I kind of wanted to be high to where I can play with it. Like I wear a 13, so if I got a medium, it probably the sock probably would stop like right here. You know, and it's not a lot of room to play with it. You know what I mean? But now it's this long, and I'm playing with. I'm actually gonna take one of these apart. Which one do I want to wear? So this is the let me see if I can get my lighting right. Y'all know my lighting is still horrible. All right, so this is the navy blue and red one, and it's kind of like a dark burgundy red. They're like $120 online for a pair of these. I don't know how long this fad is gonna last, but I'm definitely gonna keep these for a long time. The thing about these Gucci socks is, I mean, once, and you know, some of the pieces, once, if they go out of style, you know, you can always just wear them around, especially with these socks. You can just wear them under stuff, or just wear them as like, you know, around the house socks. Let me open up these brown ones. I'm gonna open up the brown ones, and I'm gonna wear these first. I want to show you guys how long they are compared to a regular sock. You know what I mean? Alright, this is a regular sock that I got on right now, right? And this goes up to about like right here. Look at my ankle, right in there. Let me see. Let me open these joints up real quick. I keep it 100 too. Like I bought these with a gift card that I had for a while at Neiman. So one of them I got for free off my gift card. The other one I got like $50 off. Oh, excuse me, but both of them are like 120 a piece. Let's see if this is gonna zoom in for y'all. Both of them like 120 a piece. Now, see how long this sock is, right? Compared to this sock. So let's see how long it is when I actually put it on, though, G. Let's look at that. Let me pop this off. It's got all these extra tags. Gucci is so official when it comes to these tags, man. Goodness. I'm just gonna pop it off. I ain't gonna do no scissors and nothing. They socks. And they come with the little Gucci tag that's not gonna stay on the sock, but alright. Keep in mind how long they are. I'm gonna back up. Put these on. I want y'all to see how long they. Oh yeah. And then when you put it on, like the G's expand more than actually right here. They expand and get bigger. So I'm lifting my leg. That leg action up. Keep in mind, I wear like a 13, 14 on y'all. Right? Let's see how far it goes. Yeah, it goes all the way up to my knee, G. And I think that's really how it's supposed to fit. The heel part, the heel piece is on my heel, and it goes all the way up there. So when I mean play with it, I mean like be able to fold it, tuck it however you want to do it. That's important. Stack it, or you can just have it all the way up. If you don't have a sock that's big enough, it's not going to work for you. So I got a large. I think they got extra large, medium, and small. If you want to have some room to play with it and make it goofy and bring it all the way up to your knee, get a size that's larger than what you would really actually need. It's just all about fashion, how you want to put it together. It really does not matter. I don't care. It's all about what you want to do and what you want to wear. So that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to show y'all these two. They got a bunch of other colors, but these are the only two that I can use my gift card on, so I got these two. You heard? Well, anyway, that's pretty much it, man. Excuse my lighting. Let me see if Let me see if my lighting is. I gotta get a bit. At least if I ain't gonna edit, man, I at least gotta get like a higher quality light in here. You know what I mean? But anyway, comment, man, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I need some followers. I got struggle followers right now. Like can I at least get 50? Like, tell your friend about it. You know what I mean? And hit the notification bell so it come to your email and send you alerts when I make a video and post it or whatever. That's pretty much it though, man. Hit me up at Instagram at Thestylepilot. Email me at thestylepilot@gmail.com. And remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I see y'all later, you herds.